Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be going over a review of this pressure washer that you can pick up off of Amazon. Teande reached out to me and sent me this pressure washer and asked if I'd like to do a review on it, so I said sure, why not. Here's everything that comes in the box. You got your power cord, your pressure washer hose. It comes with a soap dispenser and your wand. The wand comes with an adjustable nozzle, a fan spray nozzle. You just turn it to adjust it, and it's also a quick disconnect. Just push this button in and the nozzle can be removed. Just line up these grooves and it pops back in. You're ready to go. Let's give it a test. So what I like about it is everything is quick release. You just press this button here and you can release the pressure washer hose, and the soap canister fills up real simple, just with a quarter turn, and it's locked in. So let's give it a test and see how well it performs. Let's go ahead and adjust the nozzle. So as you can see, the nozzle can be fanned way out or turned way in to a real fine blade, to a real fine stream. Make sure you don't have it set like this when you start off pressure washing your vehicle, or you'll probably lose your paint. To change out the wand with the soap dispenser, you push in and give it a turn and it pops out. And then your soap dispenser will go in the same way. Press it in and give it a turn. I'm pretty impressed with the output of this pressure washer. It's 3000 psi max, 2.4 gallons per minute, and I really enjoy all the quick attaches on it. Let's give it a test and see how much pressure it actually has. I've got a little staining on my retaining wall stone, so let's go ahead and see how well it cleans that. That did a fantastic job. Didn't take much time to get the black mildew and dirt off of the stone at all. So far I'm pretty impressed with the product. It's a nice, light, compact pressure washer. Easy to store, easy to switch the components out. Honestly, I'm quite impressed with this little pressure washer. I didn't think it would have the power that it said that it would. It's lightweight, compact, a lot smaller than my other pressure washer. It's fairly quiet and it seems to have plenty of PSI to clean all your needs. What's really cool about it are all these quick attaches on it. And I really like that you're not switching out nozzles all the time. You just simply turn the fan adjustment. Just remember, when you start up your pressure washer, test it out before aiming it towards your vehicle. Make sure you don't have it set to a real fine stream. You want to have a little bit of a fan out on it so you don't take the paint or the pinstriping off your vehicle. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get your pressure washer. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.